Hi everybody, I am super excited because the other day I got my email that my Stamparatus was ready to be shipped. So I did a quick 2-day shipping and it arrived, and I am super excited because I just wanted to share with you. I'm not going to make a project or anything, not right now. I have a few other things I need to do, but I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and just show you the new Stamparatus. It's our new stamping tool that is, it's comparable but not comparable to other tools on the market. So I just wanted to show you, this is one that I have, and I have another one. I don't know where it's at right now because I don't use it, but that one doesn't even come with magnets. This is the smaller version of the Misty, but this one is definitely larger. So this is, let's see, do they give us some dimensions? An 8x8. So this has an 8x8 dimension. So when you get it, this will not be connected. And then they're going to be in a plastic sleeve. Your magnets are on the back. Now the magnets are super strong, so you do not want these to clasp together or else your magnets will break. You are going to get a little instruction booklet, and in here they suggest that if you have a pacemaker, you need to be careful with these magnets. Okay, so you're going to get a foam pad that you're going to use for when you're stamping with photopolymer, and then this is the surface here. So actually the stamping surface itself, well, maybe it is 8x8. Okay, yeah, it is 8x8. It's for when you're using the red rubber. So when you get this, you're going to put your plates on like that. And I want to make sure that you guys can see it all. Okay. Sorry, I'm at a, let me see if I can move this just a little bit. Well, a little bit of an angle here. Okay, I'm hoping that this is going to turn out straight for you guys. Okay, sorry about that. But when you're storing this, you do not want to store it like this because it's not going to close. So just take your plate off and you can leave it like that and store it. Okay. So I'm just going to do some quick stamping here, and I'm not going to use this plate there. So when I'm using watercolored wings, so I'm just going to place this here, and actually I'm going to take a magnet. I don't think I need both. So this is my first time using this. So I'm going to place this here. It's a very strong magnet. Okay. Trying to think of what I want to do here. So I'm going to take this here. I'm going to lift this up. Hold on. Don't need to move. Okay. Okay. Just want to make sure that this is not going to get in the way of my stamping. I'm going to take some Blush and Bride ink here. When you're cleaning your stamps on the Stamparatus, you don't want to use any harsh chemicals such as bleach or alcohol. You want to use a baby wipe or your stamping mist. And then you want to press down where the stamp is at. There's no need to press down over here. Just press down where your stamp is at. I just want to make sure that this does it. Okay. So now the cool thing about this tool is if I want to do more, I can just pick up, move down, ink another one. Oop, that's not a good place to be. So I'm going to move it down one more. Okay. And there you go. So now, I want to do the next part of this. I'm going to go ahead and close up my ink pad. And I'm going to grab my next image. And I want to put this right there. And all I want to do is just flip this. So this gives you an opportunity to do 4 stamps. And I'm just going to lift this up. Okay. Yeah, I can place that magnet just a little bit better. But let me make sure this is still going to be where I need it to be. Okay. Okay. So now I'm taking some Flirty Flamingo and I'm going to stamp that. Put that up. Stamp it over. Wow, perfect placement. I like that. I mean, because even with my Misty, I couldn't get perfect precision like that. And it was getting very aggravating. Okay, come over. Stamp right there. Oops, now see how this didn't stamp all the way right there? So if I can just go back in, make sure that's inked up really good. Come back and make sure I press. And there you go, with no mistakes. Okay, so now the only other thing I want to do, and we're going to see if we can get this right, is, oh God, I don't want this to get on anything. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, take our other plate. I think I'm going to go from this way. Oh, I can't, because I need to go down. And I want to take the body, because I'm terrible at placing the body, and I don't know why, but I just am. The body does not like me very much. Okay, so I think that's going to be really good placement. Okay, take my Memento ink and got my body. And then stamp. Perfect. I mean, when I did my card, and I didn't have this. This was not this perfect. Just want to make sure. Okay, that's gonna go where it needs to go. Oh, this changes the game so much. So, so if you did place your pre-order, you might want to check your emails to make sure, that you got your email with your date. Wow, perfect precision. And see how you can even tell the difference in the intensity in this one. This one is just one coating of ink. And then this one is the two coatings of the Flirty Flamingo. Here's my ink pad. This changes the game so much. In my opinion, just off my first use of this, this changes the game. I don't need my Misty anymore. I'm so happy that I was able to get in on the first round of pre-order, because they closed out, if you remember, within 15 minutes. And I remember when I was sitting at work, I was in a meeting, and it was coming upon the time, and I was sitting there like, oh my goodness, but this meeting hurry up and finish so I can get to my desk. And I was stalking the website, and the minute it went through, I put in my reservation. So I was fortunate enough to be one of the people who got one of the first reservations. So when you clean it up, just take a little baby wipe. And you can just clean up your stamp. Do a little dab if you don't want to make sure you get the fibers of the baby wipe on there. But that's all there is to it. I mean, this really changes up the game for me. I mean, that is just really pretty. I like that. Crisp precision. I mean, think about it. If you had a whole sheet of this that you had to do, how quickly now you can do it. And you can do it multiple times. You know, I mean, you can come in here if you had a big enough piece of paper. Oopsie. You can come in here and just quickly stamp. Move, stamp, move, stamp. If you have more space over here, come down here to where you need to go. Stamp, move, move. This is, I'm amazed. This really just changes the game in stamping tools. And, oh, hope my stomach wasn't showing there. And, oh my goodness. I'm so thankful. I picked up two. So I think I'm going to have one that stays here in my craft room, one that would travel with me when I'm going to events. But, oh my goodness, this changes the game so much. So, if you were not able to get in on the pre-order, if you did it in December, you would get yours sometime in March. Some of the dates have been moved back because I was actually supposed to be in by the 1st of February. So, there may be some pushback, so it may be like March, April time frame when you would get yours. But if you were not able to pre-order, this will be in the next catalog. And you're going to want to make sure when June 1st get here, or June 2nd, I'm not sure when the next catalog comes out, that you are up at the crack of dawn, because I can guarantee you the demonstrations I've seen from the other demonstrators, my experience with it just now, this is going to be a game changer, and this is going to be a bestseller, and it's probably going to be one that's going to sell out. So you're definitely going to want to get your hands on it. If you want more information, I'm going to be doing more videos using this. So you want to make sure that you are following me. You can email me at stampingwithcandace@gmail.com if you have any questions. But yeah, I'm super excited. So that's all. Alrighty. Bye-bye.